I'm Bryan Loar with Cover to Cover Children's Books, and this is the UA Business Spotlight. Cover to Cover, it was started by Sally Odie, who was a teacher who retired in 1980 and then started the bookstore and then really retired after 38 years. So she was the heart of Cover to Cover when it was based in Clintonville. In 2018, Cover to Cover was moved by Malia Wolf over to Upper Arlington in the historic Mallway. And that was a really exciting move for us because children are riding their bikes up to the shop. It's very walkable. So it's a really beautiful space to be in here. And as for me, I came in here in 2019 as the general manager. And then in 2023, I took ownership of Cover to Cover, and it's been a dream ever since. So when somebody walks into Cover to Cover, they're going to have personalized service. When they first walk in, they're going to see these adorable mice to welcome them, as well as our staff. They're going to have fun games to interact with, as well as our train table and a comfy couch in the back to sit and read on. And you'll find a hand-picked selection of beautiful children's books, many of them highlighting local authors. So anytime somebody comes in, they're going to feel warm and welcome, and they're going to find the perfect book. For businesses looking at Upper Arlington, I highly recommend it. It's warm, welcoming, supportive, both from the community and from the city standpoint, because we have a number of different festivals. In the summertime, we have Arts on Arlington, which brings tons of people into the area. And then we have Winter Festival as well. It's really a magical time to be here at Cover to Cover and being here in Upper Arlington.